Yesterday we arrived to Koh Tao. It's me and Dam, my parents, my grandmother, my sister and her boyfriend and their 2 kids. So we took a private minivan from Hua Hin to Champon. There we had booked a speedboat ferry. We got picked up at the ferry here in Koh Tao and they drove us to our hotel. So we're gonna stay here for 5 nights. 4 full days, and this is our first full day. We just eat breakfast at the restaurant here at the hotel, and now the kids want to go and swim, and I think my family is gonna be here at the hotel today, chilling in the pool, swimming in the ocean. And me and Dam gonna go and buy some flip-flops for him because he forgot them at home. And then I don't know if we're also gonna chill yesterday or if we're gonna go rent a motorbike, driving around. I don't know, we haven't really decided yet. This is the main street here on the island, and this is a small street next to our hotel. So we found a shop full of flip-flops. So I think I'm gonna find a shoes in his size here. And I think I'm also gonna buy someone because mine that I have now is like, yeah, I have a, what is it in English? But it hurts, I get red, you know, in the thing. So I need to buy a new one as well. Who doesn't want a fresh fruit shake when staying on a tropical island? So I just bought a lime shake on the way back to the hotel, and it's like really expensive here. It's like twice the price than in Hua Hin, and it's really busy here as well. So our hotel usually in Thailand is a long piece of land from the beach and then upwards. So over here we follow here is like the beach, and then up here you have the main street passing by here, and it's pretty loud. In the night when we try to sleep we can hear the music from bars and restaurants and everything. It's really, I don't know, it feels like a big difference from Hua Hin. It feels really touristy here. It's a lot of younger people here compared to Hua Hin. Younger people, backpackers, a lot of Western people. It's really unusual for me to see, even if it's like Western people who are in here, who are in as well. Here is a lot more. But now let's go up to the room again, change, and then I think we're gonna go down to my nieces and swim with them in the pool. So I will show you how our room looks like. I changed to bikini, so let's go and see if we can find the rest of my family. I guess they're either at the pool or at the beach.
Bara hoppa. Hoppa du! Oj!
I find them at the pool, and the kids really love the pool. When we stayed at the house in Hua Hin, they also was swimming in the pool all day, all night.
Kan du filma? Nej.
I'm down here having a look at the beach. The ocean is always so much more clear and blue here at the islands. It's really beautiful, even if it's cloudy today. We had a nice swim in the ocean, and my mom and my sister went out to snorkeling a bit as well, and they saw some beautiful fish, and it was more hot in the ocean than in the pool. Now Dam also swimmed, and now we're going to go home, shower, and then we're gonna see if we can rent some motorbikes. Me and Dam and Frederick and Moa, my sister and her boyfriend, we rented some motorbikes, and now we drove to the other side of the island. It took us maybe 8 minutes something. So let's go and check it out. I think this is a viewpoint or beach, I'm not really sure.
Speaks also English. That's fine. We can switch.
Now we stop to walk to another viewpoint, and everywhere, or every time when you stop, you have to pay 20 baht to park there. But then we bought this one's drinks, and then you don't have to pay. And here we have to walk up all the way here. And it's hot, it's in the middle of the day. Here we have a really nice view. If you want to have a nice view, come to this viewpoint. I don't know the name, but I write it in the text. This was a really nice viewpoint to have, like an overview over Koh Tao, and I think it was called the small viewpoint. And now we're gonna turn. So we went to the other side of the island, and then we went a little bit back, and then we went here, and now we're gonna go back to the side where we live and drive on that side of the island. Now we are at another side of the island, and we're gonna go up to another viewpoint. I think this was Sun 1 360 viewpoint. So let's climb up again. I'm so sweaty, and then also this side we're gonna go to Freedom Beach when we have been at this viewpoint. So here once again you have to pay money to go to the viewpoint or for parking. Here you pay 50 baht and then you get a soft drink. We stayed here at a small restaurant along the street on the way home because Tam wants to have some papaya salad, and the small shops are always the best. So all the tables at the small restaurant was in the sun, so we took it home and ate at our balcony. What do you think about the food? Have you tried it yet?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Sam, alloy me. Okay.
No spicy.
Always so picky. What do you think?
It's good.
Good, but no spicy.
No spicy.
Spicy.
Det är inga spicy riktigt.
Nej.
It's like a small road along the beach where you can go. It's a lot of stands, food, jewelries, and a lot of stuff. It's very cozy to walk here. Oh, what do you say?
Yes, really cozy. And a long beach walk to go on.
And here at the restaurant at our hotel, we find our parents and our grandmother. They're eating barbecue. What's the name? Koh Tao Beach, and now we are on the way to Freedom. And we're only filming on the phone, so sorry the quality is not that good. But better than nothing. Today is day number 2 here in Koh Tao, and it's been raining the whole day. So we have just been playing some games, eating food, and now we rented 2 motorbikes today as well to bring mom and dad to the viewpoint we were at yesterday and to these 2 beaches.